Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP object events. So an event is a set of outcomes that are defined in a class to trigger the event handlers in other classes. So when an event is triggered, we can call any number of event handler methods. The link between a trigger and its handler method is actually decided dynamically at runtime. In a normal method call, a crawling program determines which method of an object or a class needs to be called. As fixed handler method is not registered for every event. In case of event handling, the handler method determines the event that needs to be triggered. An event of a class can trigger an event handler method of the same class by using the raise event statement. For an event, the event handler method can be defined in the same or different class by using the for event clause. For event name of class name. Similar to the methods of a class, an event can have parameter interface, but it has only output parameters. The output parameters are passed to the event handler method by the raise event statement that receives them as input parameters. An event is linked to its handler method dynamically in a program by using the setHandler statement. So when an event is triggered, an appropriate event handler methods are supposed to be executed in all the handling classes. The code produces the output handling the cutoff event has been processed. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP object events. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.